Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your EA account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ea.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official EA website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the sign in button to proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your password, click on the same account button at the top right corner and then click on account settings. Now from the account settings page, click on security at the left side and you will see your password. Click on the edit button and then click on send security code, which will send a security code to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find your security code. Just type in this code within the given box and click on submit. And now you will be allowed to set up your new password. Just type in your desired new password within the new password box and then enter it once again underneath to confirm it. You can finally click on the save button and now your password will be changed for your EA account right away. And now you can log into your EA account using your newly set password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.